Warm welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Prajapati Anju from SD Jain International College. I study in FY BCom in F Division. My topic is difference between insurance and gambling. First of all, I am very thankful to the rich man for giving this wonderful opportunity. So here we go. First of all, I will explain the meaning of the insurance. Insurance is a contract or a policy from a financial institution that offers a person, company or either entities reimbursement or financial positions against all possible future losses. It can be precautionary measures against future contingent losses also. Next one is gambling. Gambling means to stake or risk money or anything of the value on the outcome of the something involving chance. So let's start the difference between the insurance and gambling. First point is enforceable. Insurance is enforceable by law and it is a legal contract. Gambling is not a legal contract and not is enforceable by law. Second one is the utmost good faith. In every insurance company, the utmost good faith is most important. And in gambling, no such duty is observed. Third point is protections. Insurance giving the protection against all possible losses. Gambling does not provide any type of protections. Fourth point is insurable interest. Insurable interest must exist in every insurance contract. In gambling, no such insurable interest is exist. Fifth point is the indemnity. The principle of the indemnity is applied in the insurance except life insurance. In gambling, no such principle is applied. Happening of the event. In insurance, the happening may be happen or may not be happen except in life insurance. The event is and in gambling the event is bound to happen. Seventh point is immunity. In an insurance contract, the insured is immune from loss provided. In gambling, either party may be win or lose. Eighth point is scope. The scope of the insurance is limited compared to the gambling contract, and in gambling the scope is unlimited. The last but not least, the last one is object. The object of the insurance is to provide protection from all possible losses, and in gambling the project is to win or to lose. Thank you.